Hello, you're welcome on how to solve this maths problem. So, solution. So, we have 5 to the power of k multiplied by 5 to the power of k is equals to 60. So, assuming that we have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, so this one can also be written as a to the power of m plus n. So, similarly, this one now we shall now have 5 to the power of k add to k is equals to 60. So when you work out this one, k plus k, now we shall have 5 to the power of 2k is equals to 60. So from here now, we shall now introduce what is called the log from both sides, so that now we can work out the value of k in the shortest time possible. So here now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of 2k is equals to the log of 60. So from there now, we all know that assuming that we have the log of p, maybe to the power of k, so this one can also be written as k, the log of p. So here now we shall have 2k log 5 is equals to the log of 60. So from here now we want to remain with 2k here, so we shall divide both sides by the log of 5, then also this side also by the log of 5. So that is to mean that log 5 and log 5 shall cancel. So now we shall now have 2k. So 2k is equals to log 60 all over the log of 5. So from here now we shall now be forced to work out log 60 by the log of 5. So there now we shall say that, so 2k, so our 2k is equals to, so the log of 60 can also be written as the log of 12 multiplied by 5, then into bracket all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have the log ab, this one can also be written as the log of a, then plus the log of b. So here now we shall have 2k is equals to, so this one now we shall have the log of 12 plus the log of 5, then all over, so all of them now shall be under the log of 5. So now our 2k is equals to, so we shall now divide both sides by the log of 5. So now we shall have the log of 12 all over the log of 5, then plus log 5 all over the log of 5. So here now 2k, so 2k is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 12 all over the log of 5, then plus, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1. So next we shall say that, so next now we shall have 2k is equals to, so log 12 can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 4, then into bracket all over the log of 5, then plus 1. So 2k is equals to, so now we shall have the log of 3 plus the log of 4, then all over the log of 5. So all over the log of 5, then plus 1. So our next step is now 2k is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 3 plus, so log 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then both of them now shall divide them by 5, this one separately, plus 1. So next now 2k is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 3 all over the log of 5, then plus, so this one can also be written as 2 log 2 all over the log of 5, then plus 1. So our next step is now 2k is equals to, so here now we shall have, when you have the log a all over the log b, so this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So 2k is equals to, here now we shall have the log of 3 to the base of 5, then plus 2, here now the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus 1. So there now shall have our 1 on that particular point. Then now we want to do away with 2k. So we shall now force to divide both sides by 2. Then also this side now shall divide by 2. So that 2 and 2 shall cancel. So now we shall remain with k is equals to. So here now we shall have 2, or now we shall remain with the log of 3 to the base of 5 plus 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5 plus 1, then this one all over 2. So now this one now shall be the final answer for the value of k. So if you really loved how we've worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of this maths problem.